Welcome to my channel Step Ahead with a new video. Who doesn't love getting massages? I do, when the words pamper or spending me time come to my head. The only thing I can think of is getting a massage done. Now, you guys must be thinking, I want to talk about body massages and spas, but no. This is slightly different. Everyone's raving about facial massages. And why not? Massaging your face increases blood circulation, removes all the toxins and gives you a natural flush of glow on your cheeks. Also, it reduces signs of aging, it helps you de-stress and removes all the puffiness around your eyes. And it's a great way to slim down your face and accentuate your jawline. You can massage your face literally anywhere, be it at work, early in the morning or before you go to bed. You can do it as many times as you want in a day or in a week. Just make sure that you wash your hands before you massage your face, so that your face is free from all the dirt and bacteria. Now, you can use a face oil cleanser or a moisturizer to massage your face. Now, I'm just going to show you how to do it with a moisturizing cream. Since all of us have a moisturizing cream, so let's start. Run your fingers all over your face as though they're sprinting. It's like a warm-up that relaxes your facial muscles before you start off with the massage. Gently move your fingers in a zigzag motion. Then go backwards, stretching the skin in the opposite direction. You can do this exact vertically as well. This helps in tightening frown lines and also releases tense muscles on your forehead. With the help of 2 fingers, gently press the temples of your head and slowly move from left to right in circular motions. After this, just gently pinch your eyebrows couple of times. Also, you can simply press the center of your forehead and below your ears and just go over it in a circular motion. These massages are a sure shot stress buster. Move your finger around your under eyes in a C motion gently. This helps in reducing puffiness around your eyes, making you feel fresh and calm instantly. And if you feel your skin is getting dragged, then just apply some more moisturizer. Stroke your hands in an upward motion, do the circular motions from the center to the end of your cheekbones. Make sure you do this in the upward motion always and not downward, this is wrong. You should do it this way, always. This massage increases blood flow, giving your cheeks a pink flush of freshness. This one's easy, just gently pinch your nose from the tip all the way to the center of your forehead. Your lymph nodes, typically located under your chin and neck, collect all the toxins and push it down. So push it down from the front of your chin towards your neck. Massage your face from center to cheekbones. All these massages are actually making your facial muscles more active, which promotes sliming and toning of your face. So this is how I do my facial massage. It's really easy and effortless. I do it for 5 to 10 minutes. But you can do it for as long as you want. If you're a bride, then you must try it. Or if you're going for a big function or something like that, and if you want an instant glow in your face, then facial massage is your answer. I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.